Bonsoir, famille. Hello, family. Mwen rele Bertrude. My name is Bertrude, and I am here to help you apprendre Creole Haitien. Learn Haitian Creole. Today, we're going to be learning about how to express possession. Possession is when something belongs to someone else. If you haven't checked out my previous videos, go ahead and check them out because you will need that as a basis. So, moving forward, you're going to begin your sentence with either ça c'est or ça pas. Ça c'est will help you express that this is my pen. Or if it's not your pen, you'll say ça pas. Ça pas. Pli mwen. But let's start off the sentence. So it's either ça c'est or ça pas. So ça c'est, then you move on to the noun. A noun is a person, place, or thing. Let's go ahead and start with plim. Plim means pen. So if I want to say this is my pen, I will say ça c'est plim mwen. In English, we'll see that we say this is my pen. In Creole, we actually are saying this is pen my. Pen my. So, let's go back a little bit. To say this is my pen, you will say ça c'est, this is plim mwen. Pen my. If you want to say this is my book, how would you say that? Ça c'est livre mwen. Livre is book. Livre mwen. If I want to say this, that's my food. Ça c'est manger mwen. That is my food, or this is my food. This is my house. It would be ça c'est kai mwen. Now, if you want to say this is not my house, house is kai, you would say ça pas kai mwen. This is not my house. Ça pas kai mwen. The really interesting thing is ça, it's either this or that. So you could say ça means this is my house. Ça c'est kai mwen is this is my house. Or it could be ça c'est kai mwen, that is my house. It really depends on context. It makes it really user-friendly for people trying to learn Haitian Creole because ça, it forms into whatever you want. Now, let's go ahead and see if we can make a couple of sentences. If I want to say, this is my friend, well, how would I say that? Ça c'est, friend is zami, zami mwen. Ça c'est zami mwen. Possessive pronouns, I is mwen, just like the personal pronouns. Ou is you. Li is he, she, or it. Nous is we. Nous is you all. Yo is they. If I want to say, this is not my food, how would I say that? Ça pas manger mwen. If I say, ça pas pli mwen, this is not my pen. Possession is very easy. One more thing I will leave with you is that you could put esque in front of anything, essentially anything, and it turns it into a question. Now, in Haitian Creole, you could turn something into a question either by the way that you say it with your voice. Ça c'est pli mou? This is your pen? Or you could say, est-ce que ça c'est pli mou? Is this your pen? Est-ce que just makes it an official question. And go ahead and play around with the possessive pronouns. I could say, est-ce que ça c'est équipou? Est-ce que ça c'est équipou? Is this your team? If you're going on a missions trip or a service trip to Haiti, est-ce que ça c'est caillou? Is this your house? I could say, est-ce que ça c'est zamili? Is this her friend? So go ahead and play around with this formula. It's either ça c'est or ça pas, and then you put the noun and the possessive pronoun. Mwen, ou, li, nous, yo. If you want to say something plurally, like if you want to say they are my friend, you wouldn't use ça, because ça is this or that. Ça c'est pli mwen, this is my book. Ça c'est zami mwen, that is my friend over there. If you want to say they are my friends, you would say yo, they. Yo c'est zami mwen. Because ça is just this or that. Plural, yo, they are my friend. Yo c'est zami mwen. They are my friends.